Good morning everyone. I am Yuan Ulaw and today I will be interviewing my sister about Rizal life. Who is Jose Rizal?
Jose Protasio Rizal Mercado Alonso y Realonda, or also known as Jose Rizal, was born on June 19, 1861 in Calamba, Laguna, and he was considered as our national hero.
Why he was shot to death?
He was shot to death due to rebellion after the Philippine Revolutionary broke out.
Why he is our national hero?
So Jose Rizal was considered our national hero because he himself sacrifices his life para ma-achieve natin yung kalayaan na hinahangad ng ating bansa. He became an eye-opener para sa mga Pilipino na mag-fight para sa kanilang rights and freedom.